Hello friends, this is my third video and this video is on modern history. In this video we will deal with Gandhi and his movements. Before starting, let's have a look on the some basic info about Mahatma Gandhi ji. First of all, starting from his name. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was popularly called Kaba in his childhood. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar. Secondly, his father was the Diwan of Rajkot, Wakanpur, Porbandar. This is important. And his wife was Kasturba Gandhi. He was married to her at the age of 13. One thing is that he was called the father of nation, and he was given this name, this acronym, not acronym actually, but he was called father of nation by Subhash Chandra Bose through All India Radio when he was in Singapore. And beside that, he considered his political guru, who was Gopal Krishna Gokhale, because Gopal Krishna Gokhale was the one who advised him to first of all visit India before entering into any political activity in India when he returned from South Africa. His childhood name is Menu. And since you must be knowing that he is known for the concept of Satyagraha, and the concept of Satyagraha is mentioned in Hind Swaraj book, and he said that this Satyagraha is different from passive resistance. There is a slight difference between Satyagraha and passive resistance, which will be discussed in further videos. Now, there is one name associated with Gandhiji, and he is Jamnalal Bajaj. Actually, he was a capitalist and he was a treasurer of Congress. He was the one who established Gandhi Seva Sangh, and he was very close to Gandhiji, and he has taken participation in various movements in the national movement. Now we come to some other facts regarding Gandhiji. One name comes, that is C.F. Andrews. He was called Deen Bandhu, friend of friend of the poor, and Christ faithful apostle, right? Second is, and before entering into a political arena in India, the Gandhiji had worked a lot for the town students in South Africa. He established Seva Dharma in South Africa during Boers Wars. And one thing more that is okay. Secondly, and one thing more, that he during the Swadeshi movement, he was in favor of the boycott of the foreign clothes, and he called that vestige of foreign clothing is the best behavior. But this was criticized by Rabindranath Tagore, and he called this action of this statement of Gandhiji as irrational. Okay. Second point is that he said Yerbata jail as temple. He was you must notice that when he was leading a movement in India, probably it was Swadeshi movement, he was captured in Yerbata jail, and he was in favor of he was against mechanization of industrialization, and he was in favor of development of villages or cotton industries. Now let us move to some actions he took in South Africa. And first of all, he was called in South Africa to deal with a case of Dada Abdullah. And you must be familiar with the fact that he was thrown out of the station while from Pietersburg station in 1994, while he's going from Durban to Pretoria. He established United India Congress in 1994, and here only he performed his first satyagraha. Gandhiji wrote Hind Swaraj during a trip. Beside that, he established law firm in Johannesburg, where he founded the trusteeship principle, which says that along with the board members or directors, the worker should also have an equal say over the company. Next is Tolstoy Farm, which is established in 1910. 1904, Phoenix Farm in Durban. He established Indian opinion, and his philosophy was seven social sins. Now, when he came to India, as I told earlier that his political guru was Gokhale. It was Kolkata session 1901 presided by Deshwa Vacha, where he first participated. He gave his public speech in 1916 in BHU. He was invited by Madan Mohan Malvi, and he established Satyagraha firm at Ahmedabad, later was shifted to Sabarmati. And he was highly influenced by three thinkers: Thoreau, Ruskin, and Tolstoy. Okay, now he's world famous, or he's into our histories for his famous three movements, which we call Champaran, Ahmedabad strike, and Kheda Satyagraha, which we will deal in next video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.